I could go vegan if it wasn't for the eggs. It's one of the most common obstacles I hear when people try to go plant-based. And I get it, eggs are delicious, versatile, and incredibly convenient. But the egg industry also kills millions of male chicks every year for not being able to lay eggs. So today I'm showing you that you don't have to give up on the flavors that you love. I'm sharing 3 of my favorite vegan eggs recipe: a vegan sunny side up eggs made from silken tofu and sweet potato, a vegan omelette made from mung beans, and a vegan omelette made from silken tofu and chickpea flours. These recipes have gone viral on my Instagram and racked up hundreds and thousands of views. So let's see if they live up to the hype. First up, we have the internet famous vegan fried egg. Honestly, if you showed this to me a few years ago, I wouldn't have believed that it was made entirely from plants. Add all of the egg white ingredients: soft or silken tofu, rice flour, cornstarch, olive oil, kala namak or black salt, regular salt, water or unsweetened plant milk to a blender and blend until completely smooth and creamy. It should almost look like a thin pancake batter. Then save about half a cup of this mixture because we are going to turn it into a yolk. Add all the yolk ingredients. Here I steam half a sweet potato. You can also use pumpkin or carrots until soft. Add salt, nutritional yeast, turmeric and paprika and blend again until thick, rich and creamy. We want a consistency that is thick enough to hold its shape but still pourable. Heat a lightly oiled nonstick pan over low heat. Pour in about 2 tablespoons of the white mixture and gently spread it into a circle. Then spoon the yolk right into the center. Doesn't it look already like an egg? Let it cook gently for about 3 to 4 minutes, then cover with a lid for another minute until the white is set and the yolk is warmed through. Flip it, slice it into a piece of toast and add to breakfast plate or even top a ramen bowl with it. Look at that vegan egg, it's so beautiful. This one might be my favorite thing to meal prep because it tastes surprisingly eggy and the batter can keep up to 3 to 4 days.
Look at the yolk. So realistic. So good.
Vegan egg using mung beans. Ooh. The next recipe is inspired by Indian mung bean chillas, a savory breakfast pancake that is naturally high in protein. With a few tweaks, it can transform into a soft and fluffy vegan omelette. First, rinse and soak your split mung beans overnight or for at least 8 hours. If you are impatient like me, you can also soak them in boiling water for 1 to 2 hours instead. Drain the beans and add them to a blender along with plant milk, black salt or kala namak, turmeric, cornstarch, and a little salt and pepper. Blend until completely silky smooth. For the omelette, pour the batter into a hot pan and spread it evenly. Cover with a lid and let it cook for about 3 minutes until the edges begin to crisp and lift away from the pan. Add your favorite filling, fold it in half, and serve. For this one, I use a mushrooms, onions, and lettuce filling. This reminds me of one of the omelette breakfasts I grew up eating. This recipe is incredibly simple and perfect for meal prep. The vegan eggs is so flavorful and the mushroom filling is so juicy, it makes an amazing savory breakfast. Last but not least, this vegan omelette is made from chickpea flour. It's soft, fluffy, and packed with over 10 grams of plant protein per serving. It only uses 6 simple ingredients and honestly, might be my favorite way to make vegan egg. In a blender, add together chickpea flour, silken tofu, unsweetened soy milk, or you can also use water, nutritional yeast, kala namak, also known as black salt, and a little turmeric for that beautiful golden color. Blend until completely smooth and creamy. Kala namak is a secret ingredient here. It is a volcanic salt with natural sulfur compounds that gives the omelette its classic eggy aroma. It's used in all of the 3 vegan eggs recipe today. Together with the nutritional yeast, it creates a rich, savory flavors that's surprisingly close to eggs. Heat a lightly oiled nonstick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in half a cup of batter, then gently spread it into a thin, even layer, almost like making a crepe. Cover and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the edges begin to lift and the surface looks mostly set. Carefully flip and loosen the omelette with a spatula and slice it onto a plate. Then repeat the remaining batter. Just look at that texture. Soft, tender, and flexible. I was craving fried rice that day, so of course I had to make some. The omelette pairs perfectly with fried rice, but it's just as delicious in breakfast sandwiches, wraps, or simply served with avocado toast. One of my favorite things about this recipe is that it made from simple pantry ingredients come together in about 20 minutes and it's naturally high in plant protein. Would I say it's identical to eggs? Not quite, but it's incredibly satisfying, full of flavors, and one of the recipes I find myself making again and again. So which one would you try first? The vegan fried egg, the mung bean omelette, or the chickpea flour omelette? Let me know down below in the comment. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious vegan hacks.
Ngon. Yummy.